Welcome aboard. Here we are. Two-dimensional representation. AB, that's where just rolled into town. Okay, good. I'm going to jot that you're down. Came into town. And bird. Now, 2D. Tomorrow, in a few days, we'll do three-dimensional. This is a three-dimensional drawing right here, this birdhouse. Let's all take a look at this one. We'll understand.
Can you get that sheet?
Touch.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, grab a couple of rulers. There you are. Anyways, from this three-dimensional drawing of a birdhouse, draw the view of the face, labeled with dimensions. Now, this is an example problem that's done for you, just so you know what's expected. So, are you able to look at this diagram and see, yeah, this is the face. So, there's a face diagram, right? Your drawing might not look perfect like that, but then there's the back. You'd be able to guess that the back of the birdhouse is like that. And the side view. What does this double line here represent? The edge of the roof, right? This edge right there from the side. Got that, right? Okay, so that's what that is, and this part's the roof. Oh, I can't do that. Roof. Right there, and then this is the side wall, right? And this is the top view. And that's one side of the roof going down, this is the other side of the roof going down. That's the ridge pole, or the center of the roof. So do we all understand what those drawings are? Because actually, that's why I like Braden, when he was here, he's the Mr. Construction. I thought he'd be telling us a little bit about that. But anyways, can we come up with drawings like this? Well, this is kind of goofy here. But can you tell this is a 3D object, front and side? Can we come up with top, front, and side views of these blocks? Now, you can see on paper, I've done them with pencil and ruler, but I'm going to do them up here, except the fact that I have to do it freehand if I'm going to demonstrate this on the board. But what should we do first? Top, front, or side? It's your choice. Tell me, and we'll do it. He said top, so I'm going with top. Thanks, Ed. So the top view. Why am I putting two P's on top? Don't know. I don't anymore. Hey there, Trent. Grab this off. I did. Why did I do that, Braden? I've been talking about missing yellow clay.
Yeah, I was talking about
I even have it recorded here, Braden. Anyways. I say, well, Mr. Construction isn't here, and he's here every day. Anyways, here you are. The top. So let's think about the top view. Bird's eye view, right? So if you're looking down on this, right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks that way. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks this way. How are you going to do that? Well, I'm going to just pull up a ruler here and just see. Ruler. I'll grab myself a centimeter ruler. Oh, that's an imperial one. I don't want that. Metric. Okay, good. I got to get myself a ruler. Reckon? So, why did I do that? Because I want to have slightly equal spacings. Now, you guys just have a one-way ruler, not a triangle, but that's fine. What I'm going to do is just say from here, I'm going to do the front end. 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks. This is what I'm talking about here. Right? So I'm going to measure out. And then I'm going to make the tick marks for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense what I just did? Nope. Yeah. Yeah, you just walked in. We're on the second page of that, eh? You got the diagram in front of you? Yeah. So we're talking, I wanted to do the top view. So meaning if you're standing on top of this, looking down at this set of blocks, right? Bird's eye view. I'm going to draw the front edge here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to use my ruler and measure out 4 centimeters and make 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces in between. Does that make sense now? What I'm just doing? Then the side, well, the right-hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, right? I'm going to rotate my ruler here. Hey, TI. Get in here. Often imitated, never duplicated. Got this. So on this side, I'm going to measure out 4 as well, 4 blocks. Okay? What else I'm going to do? I'm going to do it like this. And what's the sheet up here? Well, I'm going to go like this. I'm just going to change the color on this. While you're doing that. Okay, I'm doing this for a reason. So I've got that. Clone. There, I got a straighter edge there. Now, you guys see what I did there, right? So I've drawn this side edge, this side edge. Across the back, do you guys sort of see it's still 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of blocks, right? But do you see on the left side, before you draw too much, do you see on the left side it's only 1, 2, 3 blocks on the left side? Does that seem weird to you right now? Because it's only at the last one that it juts out. It's kind of weird to read. But do you see how, like, this is all one set of blocks, right? 2, and then this, 3. It has an empty, there's actually an empty window there. 3 sets of blocks there. So on this side here, it's only going to go this high. Is that on the left side? So I'm going to grab my ruler and do that right now.
That line right there.
Which one? Oh, on the left or the right side?
Yeah.
That's just just to make my things quicker. I'll grab that off. Need it?
So when you go 3 up that way now?
I'm only going to go 3 up this way. Yeah. And here's what you see, Zach, what I got? I'm just grabbing that line just to. That's what that line is for. And then do you see how along the back, it's like 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, and then it juts out for the last block, right? For the 4th block. It's weird to read at first. So I'm going to use my ruler too. I'm going to draw that perimeter of this. So, 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, and then it juts out. I'm going to use this, just because I can. There we go. Then I know that it's going to be up here for this last corner here. Now I can figure things out a little better. I've got the perimeter. I like to do the perimeter first. How does that work though? Now along that right side, do you see it's solid bricks right here, right? Like that's bird's eye view. You guys, it takes a while, so I'll let you guys work these through. Ooh. I'll put mine. Now, what about that side? Yeah, that looks good. I'm drawing that in. The devil is this one? Oh yeah. These are good. Working away pretty well. Sideways. Draw this one. I think this works. Do you see why I have a hole in the middle of it? If you're thinking of looking over top? Does that make sense to you, Aaron? Well, I have a hole. Let me just sort of like lightly shade this here. Just to show that that's different. That's where there's an empty space. Do you see that what I shaded in black is this space right here? Because if you're looking down, you'll see, yeah, there's a row of bricks here on the perimeter. Row of bricks here. Yeah. Row of bricks there. This row of bricks. And likewise on. So, hopefully your top view looks something like that. I think the top view is often the hardest. Yeah, sometimes. Now, the other ones, front view. I'm going to just walk around and see where people are at. These turned out pretty decent. Too hard. Not bad. Carrot, you're coming along, I can tell. Yours is good. Does it make sense to you what you did? Good. Oh yeah. Like I said, I can be. This makes sense to you, right? When you're kind of an artist of sorts, does this make sense to you that you look at something down? Would be makes sense. Yeah. The voice of it. I think it's that is perfect, man. So you know what you're looking at, right? Why the space is empty. That's that. Right there. There's four missing. There's four missing. Yeah, but look at this. Look at you see how this is like a feature of the bottom? It's like an overhang there. So this overhangs, that's why these two here, this is the overhang. That's what that is. That's why that's, you can't see that from the bird eye. You can't see that. It's goofy. Yeah. I'm going to take a look then at the other views. The front view. So if we were looking, if you were standing right here. Oh, I can't draw circles on there, else it does that. I keep forgetting. And you looked at this. what would you see? Well, you'd see 4 at the base. On the left side, it would go pretty high. How many high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high. And then it would sort of go down from left to right. 2 over, then down some more. And then, yeah, there'd be some empty space. There'd be an empty space here. There'd be the empty space you'd see under here. You see on this brick here? That's empty space beside that brick. We'll see if we could draw just a little quicker than the other one. I won't be so careful, I guess you could say. You should be careful, but I guess I'll demonstrate with carefulness. Love and care. I think that's not just care, love and care. Now, do you guys see it once again? The front, 4 wide. So I'm going to draw those 4 at the front. This is my front view. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at it, I might as well mark the top sides of these. So there's my front set of bricks. Hey, Inferno, what's up?
I'm just going to say, like, I'll be in and out of school tomorrow, and, like, I won't be attending class today because I'm on a surgery, so I'm not driving around and stuff. So I'm going to let you know. I was wondering if, like, we can meet up sometime, like, go over anything I missed, or...
We can do that. Do you ever have open periods?
Third.
It's third period. Right, you were going to meet with me anyways.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can.
Okay, well, fill me in. You might be able to period 1. You might be able to.
Okay. So,
You might.
I just want to, like, make sure I'm, like, picking up my stuff and, like, the physics, like,
You're being recorded.
physics test, I want to,
Okay.
like, rank up and stuff.
Well, thanks for staying in touch. We'll keep on track. You bet. Where was I? Drawing. Front 4 blocks, right. Okay, so I'm going to just draw these in freehand here. Definitely have those. Then it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks high. 5. Draw the easiest stuff first, and I usually think the edges are the easiest stuff. From there, I'll give you guys a minute, because I'm going fast-ish. At this point, I'm hoping you're drawing the front and this. That's what we drew already. Guess I'll write the word front view here. Some of you guys are pretty good artists. You know, do this intuitively. So, we're ready for the next rip through. You were standing in front of this. At the top, you'd see this lone block up here. Then, the next thing you'd see is a drop down, and then these 2 blocks. And then finally a drop, and you'd see this block and this block face up, right? So, see if you could draw those. I'm going to do it in the order I kind of suggested it. I'm going to use my ruler, though, to help me get my squares straight. Next, what was it? 2 blocks over. block down, and then over. Mine are always messy on the smartboard. Then, yeah, you can see that tucked in block right here. That's maybe the empty space there. That's what I think I'd see.